Hello! This video is going to show you how you can use Goalbook to help you write the present level of performance for a student's annual goal that you're proposing for a new IEP. When you're completing the paperwork and you're getting ready to propose a goal, the first thing that you need to do is think about the student's current performance in that goal area. An easy way to write that current performance is to use the template that Goalbook has created. When you sign into Goalbook Toolkit, one of your menu options is Present Level Wizard. If you click on that and fill out this information, and select your area, you're then given a list of options of areas to write your current performance. Let's say my student needs a goal in number sense and concepts. I can click Add here, and a template pops up. Now this is editable, and you can make it use language that you want, but I think the basic outline of it is really good. You can go in here and say that it's not quite at this level, or you don't like to use grade levels. You can say and go in and edit as much as you want. When you're done, you can simply copy this and paste it into your present level of performance section. I hope this helps. Thanks.